Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by shutting off the supply and bleeding pressure so you work safely. Once done, drain the line to clear residual fluid. You should have a wrench, replacement check valve, Teflon tape, and a rag ready. Keep a bucket beneath the joint. Locate the check valve and note the arrow for flow direction. This matters because installing it backward causes failure. Then use the appropriate wrench on the inlet fitting, holding the pipe steady to avoid twisting downstream components. You loosen the valve fittings counterclockwise while supporting adjacent piping to prevent stress. Do not yank. Once free, remove the old check valve and inspect the internal seat and spring. Debris or corrosion explains past problems and signals if you need to clean the line. Compare the replacement to the original, confirm matching seat type, and flow arrow, because compatibility prevents leaks and malfunction. If threads are clean, wrap new male threads with 2-3 turns of Teflon tape. Then position the new valve in the correct orientation. You hand start the new valve threads to avoid cross-threading, then tighten to the recommended torque, tight enough to seal, not so tight you strip threads. Once tight, slowly repressurize the system while watching for leaks at the joints. Make sure the valve allows flow only in the arrow direction by cycling the system a few times. If you see backflow or persistent leaks, shut down, relieve pressure, and verify orientation and seating. Replace the valve if the internal spring or seat appears damaged, because that fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.